Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to copy and move files in Linux Terminal. So let's get started. In this directory, we have one file that we will copy and move into this folder. First, let's go in the folder through our terminal and list the content in it. In order to copy the file, we will use the command cp with the name of the file and then the target location. We want to move the file in the folder named 2. Now let's cd into folder and see the content. And here we have our file 1.txt here copied. Let's delete the file from our folder and try to move the file into that folder this time. Now we will use the command mv with the same syntax as the cp command to move the file from one place to another. As you can see, the file has been successfully moved into the folder. Thanks for watching.